In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a booklet in Canva. First thing you need to do in Canva is to set the actual size of the booklet that you want to make. So you can go to this page by going to the home page and clicking on custom size. For this case, head over and choose the inches unit drop down right here. And for that, enter your desired individual page size. For example, you can actually input right here 8.5 on width, and for the height, let's input 11. Now head over and click on this create new design. Once that has been clicked, you should be able to see right here this blank design. So what we can do in this case is we can head over and then make sure to design this into sequential order. You need to create your page in normal reading order, like page 1 is the actual cover, and then page 2 will be the inside left, inside right, and so on. So for example, let's search right here for template of booklet. So it can be templated for a book or any other things that you want. You can apply this. So let me show you how that will be. So for the first page, we have right here our front page. Here is our left, here is our right, another left, and another right. So format it like that. Once you're done with that, you can head over and click on share and then download this as a PDF. Or you can head over and click on file, then scroll down and click on print. You can use your printer to print it or print with Canva. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.